Rhythm is life. Rhythm is soul. I say, let's get it right this time. Let love unfold.
Okay.
Look, there's a belief that human beings carry, that they are separate from nature themselves.
Mm. Yeah, I can see that more now, because I used to be separate because my mum was so scared of everything that, yeah, it's funny how, like, now I'm not scared of stuff that I used to be scared of. Yeah. Mm.
And that nature's just the absolute.
Mm.
We just call it nature.
Mm.
We're used to that word, yeah. But what we fail to see is that all human beings are part of nature, are also nature. The human being's so arrogant, it's not even fair to say that. It kind of makes it sound like a human being's nasty, but there's this idea that us as human beings are separate from everything, which is the mind saying, I'm separate, I'm an individual, which produces an idea that I'm not part of nature. In fact, I better protect it.
I know, it's funny how you grow up and how you perceive the world, and it's just
Everything is nature. People, plants, everything is nature. Yeah. And at the moment we've got, I'm not opposed to it either, by the way, but we've got the environmental movement. They're out there trying to, save the world. Yeah. That's totally fine. That movement is nature.
But if they're angry at people,
that's nature.
That's wrong, isn't it?
That's no. That's
okay.
Nature.
Oh, okay. If they get in their high horse about everyone else destroying the world.
That's nature.
Ah, okay.
See what we do? We separate ourselves out from it. Like we're special.
So I had a question on that. Do you think that animals or birds or whatever, they have a sense of, this thing that we are trying to do, which is get back to just seeing the source or the presence and sort of sublimating ourselves. Do you think animals already have that, or
animals don't? Yeah. Animals don't have any idea of being separate from source. They don't experience the separation from source. They are source. As do all human beings. Source.
So to follow that up, do you think it would be like, in a sense, we've strayed and we are coming back and the animals are already there?
No, we haven't strayed. It's also just part of the play. The human being is part of the play as well. It's all okay. It's all okay. Whether one is caught up or not caught up, whether one's on the path to awaken or one's not, it doesn't matter. It totally doesn't matter. There's no individual choices there. It's all just an expression of one.
I think they know.
Who said that?
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
I can remember, I look at my life as a child. God, look now. But anyhow, petrified of birds, absolutely petrified. And like in the last couple of years, no. But I can remember, in magpie season, them smooth. I can remember one time a few years ago, absolutely screaming. This magpie kept hitting me. And the more I screamed, the more it. But now I see them at the moment because it's magpie season, and I'm not scared of them anymore. But 2 or 3 years ago, this magpie one day but the more I screamed and the more I was separated from me, the more it attacked me. But now I can see them coming near me and I don't flinch. But it's just amazing how much I could see back then, nature and that sort of stuff. Yeah. Like,
So the first movement that occurred there was a shift in mind as to what mind thinks and believes is going on.
Yeah, like a couple of years ago, petrified, whereas today not as scared. Yeah.
So even the thinking does absolutely change. Absolutely changes. I don't know about you guys. Well, actually, I do.
You see all those people with the...
That was an in-joke. Yeah, go on, Jacinta.
I know, but you see all those people with the things, magpie season, those things out of their head, like the...
Yeah. Like in my experience, 99%, and I'm guessing at that figure, 99% of what used to go on in the mind throughout the course of the day was all about me. 99% of it. Now imagine that stops. It just stops. And then there's this free space. And then there's just this beautiful experiencing of what is and free space. And then the room then, if you like, that is left for creativity to happen. The mind is the creative sense. Eyes are the seeing sense. It's the hearing sense, the tasting sense, the touching sense. Any of those senses, anywhere near remotely alike. The universe is apart. Seeing can't hear, hearing can't see, tasting can't touch, smelling can't think. Now, here's the important part. Thinking can't see, thinking can't hear, thinking can't taste, thinking can't touch, thinking can't smell. But the thinking believes it's doing all of that, and it can see, hear, taste, touch, smell. And can it?
Thinking.
What the hell can a thought experience? So there's just a believed in story that needs to be seen. Does the actual experience, of seeing, hearing, tasting, touching, smelling, is the experience in the mind?